Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing careers in tech. Have you ever got that scary message? Suspicious login detected on your account? Or maybe your friend's Instagram got hacked and started sending strange crypto links? We have all been there, and it's not bad luck, it's bad security. What most people don't realize is someone out there is trained to stop this before it even happens. That person is a cybersecurity professional. So in this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step roadmap to become one in just 7 to 10 months. So let's get started. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing careers in tech. There's already a 3.5 million job gap worldwide, meaning more jobs than people available. A few years ago, companies hired by degrees. Today, they hire by proof of skill. They ask, can you spot a threat? Can you respond quickly? Can you secure a system or cloud setup under pressure? If you can do that, your background doesn't matter, your skills too. Start with the basics. Learn how computers actually work. Install operating systems, manage users, fix Wi-Fi, handle updates. If you're completely new, you can follow the CompTIA A+ course to build your base. But don't rush it. The goal is to feel comfortable with computers, not just pass an exam. Networking is the heart of cybersecurity. You can't protect what you do not understand. So learn how data moves. Things like IP addresses, DNS, HTTP and HTTPS, ports and firewalls. Once you get the hang of these basics, it really helps to follow a structured path that guides your learning and keeps you on track. That's where certification can help. They make sure you cover all the key concepts properly. Two great ones to start with are CompTIA Network Plus, simple and beginner friendly, CCNA, cheaper and more advanced. But remember, don't just study to pass. Try building a small home network and practice securing it. That's how learning sticks. Every security system runs on an operating system, and you will need to understand both Windows and Linux. Start with what you already use. Maybe Windows. Learn about logs, file permissions, and user management. Then move to Linux. It's the backbone of the most servers and security tools. Spend time in the terminal, explore commands, and get comfortable navigating it. The stronger your OS knowledge, the easier the next steps will be. Don't worry, you do not have to become a full-time coder, but knowing a little Python, Bash, or PowerShell can make your way more efficient. You can write small scripts that check logs, manage users, or automate system tasks. It saves time, reduces errors, and helps you stand out in interviews. Start with Python. It's simple, fun, and used everywhere in cybersecurity. This is where everything connects. You will learn about threats, attacks, and how to stop them. Understand the basics of encryption, passwords, malware, and how hackers think. Learn about the CIA triad, keeping data confidential, intact, and available. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or Google Cybersecurity Certificate can give structure to your study, but the real goal is to understand how system breaks and how to defend them. If you like solving problems calmly and catching issues before they explode, you will love the Blue Team. Blue Teamers defend systems from attacks. You will learn how to read alerts, track logs, and keep networks safe. Good certifications include Cisco CyberOps Associate or PTL1 or Security Blue Team. But more than certificates, focus on practicing in virtual labs and using SIEM tools like Splunk or Elastic. You are basically a digital detective. Red Teamers think like hackers, but use their skills for good. You will learn scanning, finding weak spots, and safely exploiting them to test defenses. Websites like TryHackMe and HackTheBox are perfect for hands-on practice. Once you are comfortable, try beginner certifications like EJPT, PJPT, or Pentest Plus. They will show you how to test systems safely and write professional reports. And remember, the goal is not to just hack, it is to learn how systems can be secured better. Cybersecurity evolves every week. New threats, new tools, new tricks. Keep track of what you learn in one place, like Notion or Obsidian. Save your notes, commands, and learning. Then share a small win online, a project on GitHub, or a short post on LinkedIn. This turns your practice into proof, and proof gets you noticed. Month 1 to 2, IT basics plus networking. Month 2 to 4, Windows plus Linux plus scripting. Month 4 to 5, cyber fundamentals or plus optional security plus. Month 5 to 7, blue or red team practice plus 1 certification. Month 7 to 10, build a small project, lab and start applying. If you want to stay consistent and job ready, Merit Shot Cybersecurity program gives you everything you need in one place. You will learn directly from industry experts, practice in real labs and work on red-blue simulations used by professional security teams. You also get mock interviews, resume help and career guidance. So by the end, you are fully prepared to apply for jobs in top companies. Our learners have gone from beginners to professionals, landing great roles and even hitting their dream packages within a year. Because at Merit Shot, you don't just learn. You build, defend and get hired. Cybersecurity is not about flashy hacks. It's about steady protection. You will face long nights, false alerts and tough decisions. But every time you stop an attack or secure a system, you will feel the impact of your work. You will start as a SOC analyst or security engineer and grow into senior cloud security pen tester or even CISO as your skills and reliability grow. Your next 3 steps are simple. Choose your lane, blue or red, do one small lab today, write what you learned and share it. That's how real careers are built, one small proof at a time. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend and tell me in the comments. Blue or red? Which one is yours? Stay curious, stay secure and I'll see you in the next video.